Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Bogwalk. This is the Bogwalk area of St. Catherine. Now this is not the Bogwalk Gorge, this is the actual town of Bogwalk, or the community of Bogwalk. The gorge is where you have Flatbridge and you have the hill on one side and the river on the other side. But this is actually the community of Bogwalk. And Bogwalk is a small town. It has a lot of manufacturing plants, the most popular of which is probably the true juice, the citrus, the orange juice. Their plant is here in Bogwalk, and also where they grow the oranges, the citrus, the fruit, that is also in Bogwalk. So Bogwalk is probably most famous for that. The Bogwalk Gorge now is most famous for the Flatbridge. So it's two different areas. Alright, so we're on the main road. Basically this road is like a bypass to Bogwalk. We'll go through Bogwalk and make a video another day, but we're on our way to the north coast today. So this road, basically you bypass the actual town of Bogwalk. We turn left here, we'll go back into Bogwalk. And on our journey, we're in Bogwalk now, then we're going to pass through Linstead, and we're going to pass through Ewaton, and we're going to go over Mount Russell, and then go through Monique, and then drive into Ocharis. So before the highway was built, this was the main route or the main road to get from Kingston to Ocharis. Now this area where we're coming up on is the gas station on the left is called King's Landing, and that complex that's being built on the right is also called King's Landing Estate or King's Landing Country Club. For those of you that used to watch Game of Thrones, you will recognize the name King's Landing. It was a popular town in the show. sure why these political signs are up, because you don't really see much, but the election was like a year ago or 2 years ago, so I'm not sure why those signs are still up. I mean, not sure. You don't really see much of them. I don't know if the persons forgot to take down those or what, but very strange. And the next general election is probably 3 or 4 years away. Alright, so we're now going into the Linstead area. Okay, so coming up on the right now is the Linstead Toll Plaza. You would enter, exit the Highway 2000. So there it is on the right, where you see that silver car. And the name of that toll plaza is Linstead. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.